Taking a boat tour in Vienna is one of the best ways to see the city's architectural contrast, from its imperial history to its modern Danube City skyline. Because the main Danube River flows slightly outside the historic center, there are two very different water experiences you can choose from. The Danube Canal cruise, the urban experience. This is the most popular choice for first-time visitors because the Donaukanal, Danube Canal, flows directly past the old city. What you'll see: street art graffiti, the Uniqa Tower, the Urania Observatory, and modern landmarks like the Zaha Hadid House. Vibe: trendy, urban, and lively. You'll pass by many of Vienna's famous beach bars and restaurants that line the water. Duration: 75 minutes. Departure: most depart from Schwedenplatz, U1-U4 station. The Great Danube River Cruise, the scenic experience. This tour takes you onto the main Danube River, which is much wider than the canal. What you'll see: the United Nations headquarters, VIC, the Danube Tower, and the Millennium Tower. It often passes through a lock, an interesting technical experience. Vibe: relaxing and spacious. This route focuses more on nature and the modern skyline. Duration: 3 to 3.5 hours for the full, grand tour, which usually combines the canal and the river. Departure: usually from Reichsbruck, Handelskai. Evening and dinner cruises. If you want something more romantic or social, the major operator DVSG Blue Danube runs several themed evening tours. Here I Cruise features traditional Viennese wine tavern music and a buffet of local specialties. Themed nights. They often host Italian night, Greek night, or summer barbecue cruises with live music. Sunset cruises. A great way to see the city lights reflect off the water as you dine. Day trips outside Vienna. If you have a full day, you can use the river as your highway to other historic locations. The Twin City Liner, a high-speed catamaran that takes you from the heart of Vienna to Bratislava, Slovakia in just 75 minutes. Watchow Valley Cruises. You can take a boat through this UNESCO World Heritage region to see vineyards, medieval ruins, and the stunning Melk Abbey. The Old Danube, Alt Donau. For a more local, DIY experience, head to the Alt Donau. This is a calm, lake-like branch of the river with no commercial traffic. What to do? You can rent electric boats, rowboats, or pedal boats. Pro tip: look for the full moon or moonlight boat rentals in the summer, where you can take a picnic on the water until 11 p.m. I hope you enjoy all the natural beauty and buildings around the Danube River, Vienna, Austria.
75 Meter lang, 24 Meter breit und 14 Meter tief.
For all my friends there, thank you very much for supporting me. And if you want, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? See you in my next content.